Ever wonder why we call ChatGPT or Llama large language models? It's not just a fancy tech name, it describes exactly how they work. At its heart, a language model is a supercharged version of the autocomplete on your phone. It's an algorithm that predicts the most likely next word in a sequence. To get good at this, they need to be large. This refers to two things. First, large training data. They've read billions of pages from the internet, books, and code. Second, large parameters. Think of these as dials the model adjusts during training. GPT-4 and Llama have billions, sometimes trillions of these internal settings to capture the nuances of human speech. This scale is powered by the transformer architecture. Unlike older AI that read word by word, transformers look at the entire sentence at once to understand context, like knowing if bark means a tree or a dog. Finally, after pre-training on the whole internet, they undergo fine-tuning. This is where humans teach them to be helpful assistants instead of just word predictors. So, large for the scale, and language model for the prediction. Put them together, and you get a tool that can write poetry, code software, and chat just like a human.